In primetime news this evening, government contract workers to be offered permanent positions. New day, same chaotic scenes as motorists swarm traffic court. And police list names of criminals believed to be behind upsurge in violence in West and Central Kingston.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, the International Monetary Fund has issued its latest forecast. The world economy is expected to grow by roughly 3% this year, and I'll have details in the business day.
Thanks, Andrea. From Andrea to Jordan. Jordan, what do you have for us in sports?
Well, Herman, there are concerns about the level of interest in cricket among youngsters in the country. But despite that, the Issa Grey Shield competition bowled off today with one Kingston College player starring with the bat. I'll tell you more later in sports.
And from Jordan, we go to Romaine with a preview of what's to come in weather.
Thanks, Janella. Windy conditions are prevailing across the area. We have small craft warnings in effect for both the north and south coasts, as well as for offshore areas. So things are getting a bit more dangerous.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. Do you think the increased fines and penalties under the new Road Traffic Act will act as a deterrent to the carnage on the nation's roads? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.